In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view your CPU processor information on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right-click on a blank area of your taskbar and select Task Manager. Select the second item down on the left column that says Performance, and then over on the right side, you want to select CPU, and then your CPU processor information should be listed right up here at the top. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.